Weagree, accelerated contracting.
From start to finish.
Create your first draft contract. You might remember how it works from watching another video of ours. Answer the questionnaire and add clause library clauses if needed. Higher authorized users can modify their contract in the What You See is What You Get editor. In only a few minutes, generate your tailor-made contract in your own house style.
It is ridiculously user-friendly.
After receiving a markup from the other party, upload it to your My Contracts overview. You can access all pending contracts with only one click. It brings all your organization's contracts together.
The Weagree Wizard is an easy-to-use central repository.
Comparing that contract to your own version takes only a few clicks. The compare shows the precise changes.
It is ridiculously user-friendly.
Not all contracts are generated by the Weagree Wizard. First draft contracts received from the other party can be imported. You can manage those versions also with the Weagree Wizard.
The Weagree Wizard is for all your contracts.
The Weagree Wizard is your daily workplace for all contracting from start to finish.